Oboroso bw'omugusi.
Nogosemeria gwaito mwancho murigeria ng'ano gendete kwiruberia bosio bwesuguku kurendega iga ase getaseni gensoko nigo tugukwarigania ase mesa ya mang'ana maya chinsa isatu mwancho murigeria nimete na mangi abereka gokorekana korwa sorogongo rwa gusi anene siasa chiaba chikoene kigwa ase geti yeskuru yoboroso ya rangenyo mwancho murigeria ayonga tiari tugendete gukwariganiria ase omugoroborero ekero turochinga bali bagosira eserikali ya Kenya Kwanza nabo igo bali babere bagwesokia asogosira oyo kurigekero kyobora ibwense Dr. Fred Matiang'i bakoreta okongusanana kurenda sensemo yechisemi nigo obututukano bugendete kwene kigwa maiga yaborokiwa bali baba bagokora amatemu akegese agose grade 6 korenta obututukano ase chiskuru baba bakorangirwa asense ya mang'ana arengete obochenu niga bakori emirimo kurasenya gitari ya hema baba bakogosereria gochigo chakia omugiro ase batara baba gwakanwa ase mitinyi kyanda yabeire gegweto mwanchi murigeria ayongati yari sangana inchigo chakabono iga goika omoereria nenkerubo Frida na yonsi naboko yabwati agwetera sensemo yemitandao asensemo ya Facebook nabo igo YouTube gwetera Ensoko TV bali bakweneke buna chibi cyane ryogi ryagukera sole asinchira ya benenere Barnabas Ndari nabo igo tolde Karibu sana mwanchi murigeria tosange asubwa mogo chakabono iga goika omoelio kwechaka amaya yebirebiga ni gongo kumenya buna abarai aho bakoragwa no mugavana we county ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo oyo Kisisi Mbarati omona cheki no mukoro David Maraga nabarai bande kurwa sorgongo rwa gusini go baikirana asokole myachi family kyanda echo cyasiria abancho babo ase omubasokana obwepara ya Chapera asomo yegabwa matanga kobomo asegeti yeskuru yoboroso ya rangenyo imensemo yebunge ya West Mugrango County ya Nyamira aigani go siasa chabetanse asengusanano gati ya bali bagosira eserikali amona bali bagosira Dr. Fred Matiang'i yenekigwa nonya nabo ni gabarwanelia bairali baga lyokoralia eganga yabo bosi ubobocholi obonene mulikito Steven Nyarikembunde no robotyorwo
nase homoyega bwa magomba manene kero gyokobenia abantu kyanda bubasiria magima abo asumo basakano bwepara hari Chabera abubare matamora anibirita George Nyamboga William Oyaro Reabo Sibori Esther Kemuma Eren Nyaboke Cheni Gesare na Richard Kebaso asabarayi babwatoka magombabo asigeti yeskuru yoboroso yarangenye wodi ya Nyamaiya ebunge ya West Mugrango ya Nyamira
wota bakwane kolinga amakuli buna ya no nyatula soboro atoli nyolinga na wako genda ikuli millions hakuna mtu alikuwa anatarajia ya kwamba haya yangefanyika. Watoto wa Sabarama ya
Umugavana Nyamira Amos Nyaribo noyo kisi umugavana Simba Paul Arati nigo ko begerera kubwatikana n'igikaro kyabo ime ya Motonto ekyo kyarete bicanga mbareganga yogo sire serikali
yakeroto umwana Simba Arati noko unite y'abagusi noko unite y'abagusi mwete Ndiako grabo del correge ringa aquí encima na jire koi moreta se matia nota okira no epati ya matiangere yo pie ngoma nene epati ya yingo yetenete ninje ingo mbori maswali ara abo ikiagera inche no mogango yo nga motore aso ayana akirengende
abantu bagenda umugabana we kisegi cyoka kinyamira tegerera umugabana we kisegi chema nyamirama ku January mpaka December ntokore ngende yose
nigo umugabana w'Kisi Simba Arati agendera kwegera serikali ya Robisi ekero umugabana Nyamira Amos Nyaribo ahonchorene nko nagoteba niga kumusira Dr. Fred Matiang'i
Nyamira na Kisi abantu bate chikororo etobate emiliyoni mutemo Nyamira bakabata around 400,000 Kisi around 700,000 Ekretu waka Kisi baka 400 Nyamira baka 200 Njuku yatira tegerera abantu abayibo 600
abochi kobeko Fred Dadmo kwanene chinguru Yuji magusi
siasa chikoria kiro kyobugabana boigoni gocha betanse
akanyariyo abantu abaito bakorere gasi kora abantu baite mirimo kibase cyeto cyona kurushubwa akira nituko cyagenda kuwakwe senate kora abantu abaite gasi nkaga
abari batete kiro kiane mbara una peni mamani peni Gede kwa mere pasa ni abantu bakora barukoro muchumi. Ono orausho ese account noti.
Imebaki nyingine nyote huyu mtoto mniachie. Mimi nitashughulikia mpaka malize university. Nasikia Sharon. Huyu mtoto anaitwa Sharon George, mniachie mimi nitangangana na yeye. Kwa machungu, kwa magumu, iwe shopping, iwe rent, mniachie hiyo miaka yote imebaki mimi nitashughulikia. So, you can give me a details to this gentleman. Acha niandikie, alafu mimi nitashughulikia. Huyo mwingine mnikubalie niwalipie huu mwaka wa kwanza anapoingia shule, alafu mtaendelea mtajipanga my brother, msaidie mama alafu tutamaliza. Si namna hiyo?
Oyo kuriye kirogo kyobubunge wa North Mugrango Moskisa Kyatebe. Oyo kuriye kirogo kyobo Senator Nyamira Cheremia Migosi. Oyo kuriye kirogo kyobo Governor Ben Mumanyi. Nigo basaba bagusi go chichamo na kumusira Dr. Fred Matiang'i hasaba merelia abarayi bari bagosira serikali.
Gavana Simba Arati boni gavana rumo ya Mugusi mutoro chemange na gavana Amos Nyaribo. Sauti yangu Mugusi niga eba otebanga etole Matiang'i. Njefide dio so chisegitira tokandos egendo ndete kubasaba asama zikani. Yankeya bagusibo sipi toisaransamo tokwanderane torole ngaito kwenda ekerera ike 2027 nchibura chaito nchibagikana na litranya kwa toko ewa masikani
Morolenga obono gidweino limoko genda gochose presidential candidate to ekonokuna Fred Okemo Matiang'i.
Abakuriya ekirogo ky'obubunge meya West Mugra nigo bachakia chinsase cyo komumochya umubungo orabisi Moske Steven Mugaka asekeria be yakire koko
ona abantu baminto chikurango ligimura n'ecyo bochumbe oyo mura ne aro ngiberete manu mara chikura chama chingire enjo egero kelia chigasia ni sato egasia tangani no karosiri chiko sibitana karosiri chiko rimo agende rose muchumbe pia muno aso gwikira na kiagira wasirire tuikota kwarekana matanga muno igo ndero kwaurira kinyoiga lakini gwatara kerase kwarupole naenda magendero naro tema kipara chetu kile chimbe zaidi.
Kwa hizi boma zote ambazo zimegongwa, mimi kama mjumbe nitasimamia karo ya watoto wote ambao wanasoma kutoka hizo boma zote.
Steven Nyarikembonde, Ensoko TV, County ya Nyamira.
Nigotokurwa eng'ora yaitu ya bene ase bari basiririwe na bamwabo osikabosio abakenya nigo baburio gosoa ase chisako nari baranyare gukinia oboncherere bwabo nabo igo gwakana school fees ase obwango okwana asa magacho akisi ATC maiga yogotwara okuumirana ku mwaka na babwatani besako ya wakenya pamoja nigo omo CEO bwesake yo abasemiri abantu kweneke bunangu asoya bale ase chisako rinde banyare gosikia bosio gwetera asa makabeso yo komenta obonjere bwabo nabo igo gwakana chibesa chia masomo ya bana babo boigo kubwatikana no comment kana kubo ibi we Chicago ase chi factory nigo abamenyi baboligwa kweneke bunanko babale abalindi abatangani ase nibo yabo nabo igo kubwatirana ne serikali enene gwetera ase abagambi eliko ineke abuna ababegwa abo babachandire ase engakentambe kobekwa bale byara na kwererwa egetambukiro keri chiko umurikito weekly forenge niga gutumanya yo sinchira iyo bwagale
naso musangerekano bwo mwaka bwesako ya wakenya pamoja asa magacho y'abalimi akisi ATC abo asa babwatane aho besake yo baikirana riko kwanire mirobero yo mwaka muya uyore bosio
itukoli ya lero twabwate special general meeting eyalenge kugamba igoro ye budget bakogocha gutumia amatumizi yaite somwa mwaka 2026 igo twashaire na inde attendance of all our delegates yalenge ngia egitwagambire magana mangi
kukwana nabararia magigayo gukura umusangerekano yo nigo mo CEO bwesake yo atebabuna nirebuya asaba Kenya bonsi gwese ya chisako rubanyorere amakabeso yenengo ayo baratumike gukini biashara byabo nabo igo kubasomeria abana babo
amangi se bintu biri twakwadire migoro echi products twarifire go chesa members twarosiri kwetera members buna batakire babe served from the ground we have reviewed twarifire je products echo bono toko encourage members nabo bago ichasobonge baire those products chironi chiroro toko ire kere ibina bye piece respito abana bona bago chikoyora gisukuru omwaka ogocha kuchakira January abo bago ichatwa banyole chironi sukuru fees loan twasire go chirwa nabo igo ndachinde chonsi bali babwate biashara abatoko baya chironi bakorere biashara
nonya nabo nigo mu cooperative officer we county ya Kisii baseme bamenyi baba bege nwekera bagusaba makabeso bairania elina nabana baro bakonyeka kurwa asa makabesa yo
issue y'abantu abange bakwimoka chironi bakwirania iyo affect yo kina ku society esage wa Kenya pamoja nebwate chibesa ekwena na kuchase members baire eroni bakanira abana fees mnaona mutinyo bocho January tutagete fees abantu tiga baje chibesa nchiro lakini rende ke bakwira bairani naende bae weyende nabali bande bataranyore eroni yibanyore chibesa nabarabu baimoki umuntu akwira gakwira nabande bakwimoki bakogenda chibesa nchiro
kubwatakana no komentakana kwe bikoro byo bwibweka wa asichensemo ao ime county ya Kisii niga bamenyi baboligwe baba maiso nabo igo kubwatira na serikali reko basoera bantu bande bonsi bali bwata chimbo chimbe ero bairerwe egetambukiro keri chiko
kuna twasomire kurwa sesa kama swali nabo likwa bande baboli ngoro yo bwibweka wa bwibwecha ase obwibwe boko basemikondo bwecha ne chikawa chiko ibukuru mugondo mpaka chi factory ya sebitanda amangana ya department ya security aba DO amura abantu bari bakora community policing ne chief chibwenete ko take action tugusaba chichibu chirororo chiteki action ase bari bonsi bakoiba monto gotorecha ya abande kuru mogondo obwatu obekume igo ntano security mbamanyete mono ng'aki bagodeal namang'ana ya oboibi
Nabasae nigo baborigwe gwesoya ase oboremi ero benyorera amabaga ase oborai bwa chisako nare mambe yabo nero erabengiya nabo igo kugendereria okobao kwabo ase ikegetambe.
The other thing that is a problem slightly is that the division of land in Kisii is small. You are a father, you have some coffee and tea, but you have several sons. So it becomes difficult to subdivide these lands. When you subdivide them so much, the land so much, it becomes uneconomical. So that's why most of the people are still there, although they are elderly, like me, I'm already an elderly man. But this income that comes, we make sure we spread it. So that's why reason why I think they are not taking up this farming as quickly as we expected.
Akira bono togojigosoa ase emeyega yesiguku abakenya bonsi nigo basaberwe Christmas yekia no mwaka omuya.
So gotobwatisha twaikire kolengera na gwechimutwe mogende gotobwatisi boiro kubasabere Christmas yekia omwaka omuya ende tonako bwatera gwechimutwe
nigo yatigera saba menye bonsi na bali bagusaba amakabeso ase chisako koba begenwa na kwirania amakabesa abo elinda konya na bande inkoripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa se county ya Kisii eretariane Wycliffe Orenge.
Maiga yobotutukano kwanekigwa ase chiskuru abana bakora amatemwa a grade 6 ase bono abange babo bakwimurungania niyo wizara y'ekisemi yaimukire getambukero gyoko bamanye abaiboli igoro yo gusonsora omuchando yo kagukwana ase omuyega bugosieka omwaka wabarokia kurwa ase nsemo yebunge yabobasi inse yabobasi Teachers Welfare me skuru yabamraya Nyamache nigo mobisa o Quality Assurance ime sub-county ya Teso North Geoffrey Ochenge abolirie abaiboli kogenda asabateneneri bechiskuru ekyo barangeligwa na gochenja kurwa aroro asenjira yo mutandao eikiyiga.
We will win this seat. Sawa. We will win. I'm telling you today. Historical matter will tell us when we come together in we will do what? We will. The game is what? Are we having the same voice as it was before? Do we feel represented as teachers? When we hear about transfers
from our colleagues here requesting to support them so that they can get their children to be placed in some specific senior schools. But allow me to bring it to your attention that that one is in the docket of the heads of institutions of the junior school. And therefore, sensitize our parents who are discontented to visit the junior schools where those learners sat their cages there and request the head of the institution to initiate the transfer request online. And then once they have initiated, us at sub-county level, we shall approve. If it is that category of institution is in category C4. But if it is in category C3, the county directors of education will approve depending on the capacity. If it is in C3, the regional directors of education will approve. So it must begin with the head of the institution. Please, the other sense that is here, we will wait till you understand. Now, that revenue, can they do that? Until your children's school really someone assessment, read that head of the institution, I initiate the process online on the portal. You will go to the name of the learner, the assessment number, click there, go to transfer. There is an area for transfer, and that one now it will break up to headquarters, and we will be able to assist them. Gonna matter. Now, like in drama initiated online, there is no much I can do. So let us sensitize our parents, and they should do it within this week.
Ekiombe kia mwanya getinge Heritage Council nigo bakorire omusangirikana samaga choya maigerio y'oburimi mu cyobosongo ATC elio kwinyora aba gose kwinyoria abantu egekoro nabo igoko bachigutwa abanyangongo abo bakorire amaya ase egesaku geito asomo yogoyo mbaikirana abarai akorwa gusi abo basegetire omugusi abwatie amarago nabo igo ekemira kyomugusi unagutumanya omurikito Vincent Monda.
Asomo sankerekano yo bwato bwalio bonge na matera agusi nigo ikeranwa na barai ao korwa chinkonko nye chagusi abwa sabarai abo barule chinkwana ao echo chirengete gosegeta na gokinia bomenyo bwo mugusi sa George Nyakundi kirera noyo mobu abali bagosegete kemira kyo mugusi kagendere na kunyoro chinsemo chonsi
igo twarenge garero na amasense gose abagambi baito bonsi beke gusi kurugusi yonsi
boigo asomo yegoyo nigo baruro mochoko bwali abaliganite gochokokora umwaka bwechirwibere na 2025 nemo
ntwasokia eratiba eyo kwigeka emeroberi yo mwaka ogocha omwaka 2026 ekiagera osikoligereria chinse chionsi chingogo chionsi oligereria abamanyi oligereria abagere bonsi bakorosia egekoro kiabo lero na intu twarigereiri twakobiri twaikaransire twarosiri omuroberio bwo mwaka ogocha
abarai ao baikirana somo yegoyo nigo babekero chigutwa echo chikoro kya magendero ase mwanya getinga
gusinto bwata abanyankongo ndobwata abantu bakorire ebintu ebya naende omugusibu nare egetinginye kengaini kiegererire na kitwacha kwa abanyankongo baito riuko ko babekase chi television cheito ne chireti cheito ende tosegete chi county cheito ekero litukoria masuchari goika na barabu baba beka no ene chipare chiankaga chibekwe bipandiko buna Charles Sati Samuel Kibwage na abanda amasensari yale moyo nereka gweta owechegerina kumbe egisakwito ngenzigete
bono moyegoyo bwegekoro naende goikomwa konde na liora ariganiwe
na December 2026 tarehe 1 mpaka tarehe 5 na litukabwate gusi cultural week togo sababa abagambi baito bonsi batubwatesi na abande mbacha garero bakwanire lakini rende omugusi goikamanye egente getangani atarabo musongo atarabo musweli no mugusi no chiogende kanisa no chiogende mache ngumbu aye no mugusi ogwansera ogokuna mabuno mugusi omugusi goikasiku no gosikwa negekoro gyeito ekitwa igekire litukoria lero
neye negati yabale basangire n'Ensoko TV eryo koro kinkwana yabo yabene
chinga sora David Bonincho kuru West Mugirango igoto kunyoria abana bali sukuru abana abantu bali sikoye nsi ito ya Kenya nga ekegusiye ito nekia egekorankia manyete kororeka rumuntu akuriegwa ebianda emetenja arengo mwana ekara kuriegwa nyanja emetenja arengo igentekana twalenge gaga no kurinde kegusiye ito nto basaka babanyandwaro turinde kegusiye ito na gukegerera na ria abana baito bakurumagiga barache konyora ekiba gutamira na barabuna bagusiye bale
no chuke batinyambasura korwa mwanya getinge Heritage Council lero nigo twarenga igisokurwanirira ekigusigito na mono jina nabwate nsemo yo gukwaniguru emigiro eneri chikuri yo mugusirira getenga okoreke neke na kyotakore abana baito basirire chinka chitemechi na beturutumbire iga na beonchokanete abande babe antabange babera betweka nkobogeka igabone tuyatulende emigiro yeito erindo bagotokoso twari gocha guchandika n'ikitangu cyamane ngoso eriyo yareta chimuma tuyatulende emichito tulena abana baito nandi tulende kegusimo mono eriegere egesauki omugisi kebyoke
asamalieta nenkoro kwa Nelson Gichana andos chinka cheito ndajizemo chons tigatosemi abantu baito toiranirere ekegusi egokoro gyeito erinde tokine tobwata chinsoni
erita no mweshimwa Julie Nyanchamanya mao twensi piete tete gochamo egere tonyare kwagacha gusi yeito ninde no moko gotebana okubwatira na chi sector chonsi multi-sectoral approach ekero tokobeka culture heritage obonyagitari amasomo byonsi bikwa jumla na bibigo chikwagacha gusiye ito
emeye kabune yeye gekoro ne yamo yerie gotinyoria setwarule asetole na asetogocha ankyo Vincent Monda Ensoko TV.
Abakori emirimo b'enyagitari ya hema yigotoka imimo cy'obosongo nigo bayimurunganire igoro yo gotakanwa engere yabo asegeka kimitinye kyanda abo asebene kiribuna nigo babeire bakoyetera amange ase chinga cyabo nigo baruro kuboria gukia asoboteneri bw'enyagitari eyo kwene kebuna nko bakana bale kibesa cyabo gose bagende asomugiro nonye nabo nigo Dr. Robert Manduku oyore mu Managing Director w'enyagitari eyo abasabira bakori emirimo abo ko babatoereru ekyagera mbagendete ni chingwana na sha elyo bakanu kibesa cyetane ti million emyemo elyo babakane abakori emirimo babo.
Regarding the payment of our staff for the past allegedly 9 months, but it is better to be also put into perspective that the 9 months, they actually include 4 months of 2024 and 5 months of 2025. The 4 months of 2024, this was actually due to the transition of NHIF to SHA. NHIF as it is owes us quite a bit of money for the past, I think, 2 years or so. Cumulatively, SHA has also held most of our money. The last time that we got payment as Hema Hospital is about 3 months ago. Since then, we have not received a single cent. So, cumulatively, we are owed about 100 million Kenyan shillings. The staff salary in arrears could be about 20 million. So, I mean, that just explains that indeed it is not us who are the problem. It is the people who are supposed to pay us, mainly being SHA and the pending bills from NHIF. So that ideally is what the problem is. And it is not just our staff. We owe a lot of people money. We owe so many creditors. We owe our suppliers. We owe our doctors. We have consultants who have been working with us for a very long time. We owe them. But this is mainly because SHA for us, as much as we are saying that it is working, SHA for us is just not working.
On how to settle the 9 months. 9 months, it's a lot. Right now, our colleagues have agreed and said that at least 5 months and then we can resume to work. But 9 months without a clear picture, without a clear structure on how we are going to be paid, we are in dilemma because every time we are being told that when we will be paid from the areas that they get their money from, maybe that is SHA and other insurances, that is the time they are going to pay us. But that one, it's an open statement. We want a specific time so that we can go back to work. We are willing to work. Our patients, they are waiting for us. And I think that is all. That is all from us, that we want management to address this thing.
And we feel that our rights have been violated as per our constitution, yes, being the private entity, but we feel we have reached to an extent of we can't fathom anymore. Our relatives are dying. Some of us, we have been left because we can't handle. We are asking, we have been told that SHA is not paying. Our concern is it only SHA that doesn't pay to Hema Hospital or its country for the last 9 months? And if that's the case, CS Duale, please do something. At least we save our families. We are ready to die for our families to survive.
Steka ya kutosha. Tunaamka asubuhi, tunakuja hapa kufanya kazi. Tumekaa like now it's 9.5, almost 10 months, hatujapata our salary. Tumejaribu kuitwa meeting, tukiulizia mbona hatupewi pesa, mara wanasema ni SHA haijalipa, mara ni nini, sasa tunashangaa.
Amagombo ni gabwatete ensengima maega yogosira goyo kabeire omubunge Olikuyani Enoch Kibunguchi. Korengana na Justus Wekesa ni go Kibunguchi asiria obugima bwaye obotuko bogokera rero chinga kyale konyora obogwenia asenya gitali abantu nyene imeomochi o Eldoret maega yokorwara asegeka egetambe. Kibunguchi boigo ni gabete omubunge Olugari maega yokobagwa kabere na boigo korosi ya ensemo ye bunge ya Likuyani. Mwanchi omurigereria ayonaro na kwariganiretie ase obotuko obwarero owakirambia mono kwabiri kugosangana inte kotwagachagete goikabono iga twaikire omoereriane Kerubo Frida na bali twabwaterana asoko ene kebona chibicha niliogiria gokira sole ase nchira ya benenere Barnabas Ondari na baigo Tolding kuganiria obotuko obya chinga kyogendeta kweroberia bosi bwesugu kutomera na litkoria angyo astora beto gosanga ne barongo yane Clinton Ondige.